Okay, today's quick and easy workout is we're going to do some lower body and upper body at the same time, maybe with a little weight. So let's just get the body moving. Okay, add some arms. And that moved. Okay. Okay, let's do a little bit of lunges, back and forth. Okay, reach up to the sky. Lunge. Reach. Lunge. Okay, shake it out. Gonna just do a few little stretches before we get started. Okay, so reach up to the sky, arch back, reach tall, mountain pose. Just reach down and up. Okay, reach to the side. Other side. Okay, now grab your weights. You can decide how much, but I'm just going to take these little tiny guys. You can take bigger weights if you want. So we're going to start with bicep curls. Eight more. Okay, and we're going to go over to the other side and do some more of these because this is a lightweight. We'll see. Okay, now we're going to do the triceps. So we're going to hold these overhead and just bend and up, bend and up. Now we're going to do it double time. Ready? Down, up. This helps those bat wings. Oh boy. Good. Great job. Now we're going to do some shoulder raises like this, but we're also going to add in a plie. Okay, so you're going to come down and up, and down and up, down. One more, then we're going to go into double time. Okay, we're going to do some more lunges, but have our feet straight, and we're going to lift our shoulder. This is working your shoulder. Lift straight out and then in, and then the other arm out and in. Okay, so it's going to look like this: out and in. Alternate arms. Okay, we're just going to do 8 double time. This is why I picked the lightweight. Okay, we're going to do this same little lunge a little bit deeper, but we're going to bring our arms out to the side like that, okay? Work a little bit of your back. So have this here. we're going to bend and bring these out and in. You can just keep your elbows bent. This is harder. Okay, we're going to double time. Okay, that's good. Shake it out. Good job. Okay, we're going to do more shoulders, but they'll be overhead. And so we're going to plie and reach up and come down. Up. Okay, double time for 8. Okay, other side. Slow. Down. Okay, 8 fast. Okay, good. Take a breath, take a breather. No, much longer, so we're just doing 10 minutes today. Get some of those chests. Let's put the weights together like this. And you're gonna press up and down like this. Okay. Ready? Up and down. Now I gotta go with the music. Okay, do some little pulses. Okay, now we're gonna go out and in. Ready? Bring them out and in. I can feel my chest. Oh, that's good. Shake it out. Whew. Now we're going to reach front and back. It's kind of like reaching in the back seat. You're going to punch front and twist and reach back into the back seat. Just do 8 each side on this. 3. Okay, other side. Did such a great job. We're going to do a few more stretches. And reach to the side again. And up. Other side. Okay, we're going to stretch out this arm. Take the arm behind the back. Take this as far as you can. Other side. feels really good. Shake it out like this. I hope you had fun. You can get on with your day. It's quick and easy. So join me next time. Okay, we're trying to just start with 10 minutes and then we're gonna work our way up. So be patient, and then you're gonna get stronger, you're gonna get better, feel younger. So stay tuned and we'll up it a little bit, maybe add a little bit more time. But let me know in the comments for some positive feedback or anything that you'd like me to do, and I'll do my best. So, bye. Most people I know that are postmenopausal don't want to kill it at the gym. They want to start off slow, get their feet wet, and then stay healthy for the rest of their lives. So we're going to do just that. So stick with me. And for all of you older adults or postmenopause or any of those people that are sitting on the couch, we are not going down without a fight. Let's do it.